we're going to be creating a clock in JavaScript. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step is to create a div tag, and we're also just going to need two more. See, here we are, and we're going to need to do the style. So here is going to be of display flex. Here we are, and then the div is going to have a ID of time 1, and then we're going to have time 2 and time 3. So and 3, there we are. So right there is this. Now we're going to write the JavaScript part of it. So script function is going to be time of L, and now we're going to need a variable of date equals new date. So here we'll get the date function. We're going to be needing to get the time from the time. Then what we're going to have to do is get a variable. It's called in equals date dot get hours. There we are. And then the next one we're going to need is var r, and then it's going to equal new date, which is going to be a few of these. Then var l equals r dot get minutes. There we are. So now we are, and we have one more of these. It's going to be var o equals obviously new date, and then we're going to need another one, var p equals o dot get seconds. There we are. Now we're going to have to actually make sure this will actually pop up on the screen. So document.getElement by ID, and we're going to need to get the time 1, and we're going to need 3 of these, as the ones up there are 3 of them. So we're just going to copy these out to make it a bit easier for us. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we're going to need to do inner HTML equals in plus this plus one of those, and then we're going to need dot inner HTML equals L. Then we're going to do the same thing from up there, and then yeah, we're good here now. And then inner HTML equals P. There we are. And after all this right here is done, we're going to simply set. Then we are, and then we're going to need to do time. Well, let's call our function, and 1. And this right here is how you create a clock in JavaScript, which it should. Oh, I need to open this up. There we are. So there it currently is showing our time, and it is in military time. But as you can see, this is how you create a clock in JavaScript. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next episode.